Alright, today we are going to be working on the roof. Prior to getting in here, I added some more gravel around the foundation because it was getting to be a little bit of a mud pit. So we were trying to make it slightly less swampy. But yeah, so Sarah is currently up on the roof and marking for the joist, and then we will start doing that. All right, so Sarah got the joist marked out. We're gonna grab the 12-foot board and prop it up there so we can start trying to figure out where our bird's mouth cut will be. All right, so after we marked where the joists were gonna go, we went ahead and did some test cuts. Basically what we did was we marked where it would sit here, the seat, and then where it would go here, and we kind of just drew our own little like triangle. This goes up about 3/4, and we did that on that side too. And after cutting it with the jigsaw, this is where we land. It does fit perfectly on both sides, so we're going to use this board as a template for the next couple boards. And as you go, we'll just keep checking to make sure everything sits properly like this board will. That's good for now. All right, so we're going to be putting these end ties on to help get these corner ones in place. It's like this. Is it working? Because I can't get in there. Do you want to put a lot of this? Okay. This board feels solid, except I almost died. Alright, so that board was a pain in the butt because it was the corner. But the rest of the boards we'll be able to actually nail up a little bit better.
So you want to put this up here without smacking the camera? The answer is no. There we go. We got it. Oh yeah. No, I said I'm really tall. Oh, I'm really helpful.
Alright, so the first couple studs, joists, are done. We're gonna go cut some more boards and finish putting a little bit more up, and we'll circle back to you guys. All right, so we got the roof joist up. We're gonna work on framing in the rest of the triangles along both sides. I'm gonna start cutting some wood and I'll get back to you. All right, we are done for the day. What do you think, Ari?
Yeah.
You think it looks good so far?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You got anything you want to tell the camera?
Yeah.
What?
Well, I hope you like our channel of building this house, but we're not done yet. We still need to go.
We still got some to go, yeah.